I'm walking to my first sailing class. I'm really excited. This is a huge step for David and I exploring together. Sailing's really important to him, and I just never learned how to do it. Today is day one. It's a beautiful day, so can't wait to learn and to have fun sailing with David wherever we travel.
That's a good way of this. That's your handheld compass for taking bearings.
So excited. Hope we go on the water today. Hope it's not just all instruction in the classroom. Hey there, good morning.
Sore as hell.
Are you? Your body is sore?
Alright, you ready to sail?
I'm ready.
Alrighty, start sailing. Yeah. What I always do is just start sailing straight first. Because then you'll gain speed, then you can achieve more upwind.
So I just finished day 2 of my sailing class. I'm exhausted, it was fun. I'm feeling accomplished. I can jibe and tack and I can arrive back at the dock safely. And I cannot wait to jump in the shower. They have this thing of like telling you the same thing over and over and over again, but you need to hear it because it doesn't always sink in, because like I said, it sounds like a different language. So thanks, Bryce.
Now, anytime I'm doing a video, I check my sail trim, I check where my